Hello everyone. So today's topic is mastering social media ads in 2024. So I'll be talking about the Meta ad platform, that is Facebook and Instagram ad platform. Um, Setting campaign goals. What is campaign goals? Campaign goals are basically why your business is running their campaign. What is the agenda of the business? There are different types of objectives for each businesses. Suppose the first objective, the awareness objective. When a business has just started um selling themselves, then they can go with the awareness objective, as in they want more number of people to know about their product or their service. Traffic. Traffic is suppose that particular business after 2 to 3 months wants people to go to their landing page and see their product or service. So they can then run this traffic objective campaign. Engagement. Suppose a company wants to run an event, and for running that event, they want to promote themselves. So, so when they're going to promote themselves, they want more number of likes, shares, and shares. That time they can use this engagement objective leads. Suppose you want to go for a trip and you visit some website, tours and travels website. After 1 day or 2 days later, you get to see their ad. You click on their ad, and then there's a lead form that asks you to fill out your personal details. That is when you'll get to know that they are running this lead generation campaign, app promotion. Nowadays, we see a lot of ads about AstroTalk. So when we click on their ad, we directly go to the. Since I have not downloaded the app, I directly go to their Google Play Store. So similarly, you can also see such similar, uh, like lot of businesses are running app install campaigns. Sales. Suppose a business wants you to go to their landing page and fill out a lead form. Then you'll get to know that they are using this sales object. Or for e-commerce also, they're using this sales objective because they're going to sell a product and they want you to proceed till the their payment page. So they will be running this sales objective campaign. Then comes the targeting options. In the targeting options, you have three types of targeting. That is, first is the detailed type of targeting. In detailed type of targeting, you have demographics, you have behavioral targeting, and you have interest level targeting. What is a behavioral targeting? First we'll come to demographics. What is a demographic level targeting? It is based on your education level, employment, uh, about your household, about your income level, about your gender, age group, location, etc., and lot of other things. Interest level targeting is based on your online activities, where you like, where you comment, uh, the pages that you follow. Behavior level of targeting is the purchase behavior or your search or your browsing history. So if you click on the browse option, you'll get to see multiple options for demographics, interest, and same for behavior level of targeting. Custom audience. This is the next kind of targeting. Custom audiences are likely users who have seen your website or your customers, but they might not have purchased your service or your product. Might have purchased your service as well, but uh, we use custom audiences for remarketing, for retargeting, and for building lookalike audiences. Third type of targeting is the lookalike audiences. Lookalike audiences, first you have to create a custom audience. Custom audience will be created based on your uh, customer data, at least 1,000 customers, and you have to uh, upload the custom audience data, like who have purchased your product or your service, and then you have to build the lookalike audiences. What are lookalike audiences? Lookalike audiences are a similar set of people who share the similar interest, uh, basis the demographics, behavioral, and interest. Next, we move on to the different social media ad platforms. There are three types of ad formats. That is single image ad, video ad, and carousel. First two you got to know, but the second one, that is the carousel ad, that is uh, creatives which are more than one image and up to 10 images you can upload. And then comes the ad copy and visuals. In ad copy, you have to write here in the primary text, you have to write about the um, features your business provides, or the the things that your business provides. You can use the text generation that is given by the Facebook AI. You can take informations from them as well. I've created a headline, Best Digital Marketing Institute, and last one is the call to action. Call to action has to be, this is the ad preview, okay? Uh, the call to action has to be very precise, like it should make your users understand what you're selling. If it's a course, then learn more or apply now. If it's e-commerce, then shop now. So it has to be very clear. Then comes the landing page and conversion. Landing page optimization for conversions. Landing page, when people click onto your ad, they go to a landing page. That page has to be very fast loading. So users should not drop off from the page. The design has to be very easy and simple. It has to be user friendly. The message has to be very consistent, as in, if a shoe selling company sells a shoe for 10,000, that is written in the landing page, but in the ad copy they show it as 2,000, then they're misleading the users. So they cannot do that, and users might report their page and their ad might get restricted. Social proofs, these are the social media uh, pages, and the reviews of customers should be there in the landing page. Um, if there's a form, then the form has to be very short and simple. And if it's an e-commerce, then the checkout page has to be, till a user goes to the payment page, it has to be really smooth. Then comes the tracking. In tracking, since I have not published my campaign, so I don't have genuine data, and I've given numbers which are might be possible. So the uh, first metric is the reach metric. Reach is the unique number of people who has seen your ad. Impressions. Impressions are not unique. Impressions are uh, the people who have seen your ad more than once, twice. Um, Results. Results are the number of conversions that people have converted through a lead form, or through your e-commerce, like they have bought your product. Cost per result. Cost per result is the amount spent divided by amount spent. We have to give a budget to the campaign. Then 1,000 divided by 10, that is 100. Then cost per mile. Cost per mile is uh, n- uh, like the amount you're spending in acquiring 1,000, in getting 1,000 impressions. Link clicks, the number of people who have clicked on your ad. CTR, this is the percentage of people who have clicked on your ad. So, yeah, that's all from my end. Thank you so much.